Most people still think AI is just a tool for simple tasks. But in 2026, elite entrepreneurs use a specific tech architecture to build scalable digital assets and generate consistent income. Here are the 3 pillars of a high-ticket digital business designed to scale. We'll break it down into 3 parts. First, the strategy behind high-ticket digital offers. Second, the AI system that helps you create video content faster. And third, a done-for-you Digistore 24 solution for launching your own digital offer. The first step is elite education. Freedom Breakthrough 3.0 provides the exact map to high-ticket offers that most marketers miss. But even with a map, production is the bottleneck. That is why the second pillar is speed, using the Ultimate Video's AI system to automate professional content in minutes instead of hours. The fastest path to profit is ownership. Instead of only promoting other people's products, you can build your own digital asset. The Launch Your Own Digistore 24 vendor offer service is a complete, done-for-you solution created to help you launch without starting from zero. If you want to explore these tools, the links are in the description below. Some of them are affiliate links, meaning I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Choose the path that fits your goals and start building smarter. Subscribe to Tech Driven Success ND for more practical AI and business strategies.